I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the repository is accessible and files are in the right place. Once you clone or open the local repo, add or create the files you want tracked. Make sure to run git status so you can see untracked items. Then stage the first files with git add file or git add. For multiple files, this marks them for commit. You do this now because staging separates what you intend to record from local edits you might keep working on. Once staged, commit to capture the snapshot and explain the why with a concise message. You should write messages that explain the change so collaborators can follow history. If the commit needs a tweak, use git commit amend for the last one, otherwise continue with new commits. Make sure git identity is set with git config global user, name and user, email so commits link to you. Then run git log to verify the sequence and check that your new commit appears as expected. Now push your commits upstream with git push origin main or the branch you work on. This publishes files to GitHub. If push is rejected, pull remote changes first. Prefer git pull rebase, resolve any merge conflicts, then commit and push again. Make sure your SSH key or credentials are configured so authentication succeeds. One key troubleshooting tip: if Git reports remote mismatch, verify with git remote v and correct the URL or add the proper remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.